Getting started with machine learning is not an easy task, and even finding a good resource is again a big challenge for everyone. So in this episode, I'm going to share you the resources, the video courses, and some of the blog articles about learning machine learning. And you will find things on this course very easily because each and every link you will find in the description. So let's start this journey by firstly setting up the language. So if you want to get started with machine learning by using R language or Python or Java, I will share you the links on these topics also. So you will have a specific course on machine learning with R, with Python, with Java. So again, I'm telling you the link is in the description. Then machine learning fundamentals, so the like supervised, unsupervised learning, clustering, regression, etc. Then we will see what are the courses related to these things. Then comes the tools and packages for machine learning like NumPy, SciPy, matplotlib, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow. These are the major players on this machine learning. So we will see how you can master these things. What are the courses available on the internet to master these things? Then machine learning is having a backbone by mathematics. So it's a good idea. If you have time, you can grab the knowledge of linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus, algorithms, etc. So without doing much, let's start and see what are the resources. So let's start with cognitiveClass.ai. This is a course for machine learning by using R language. So you will get to know what is machine learning, supervised, unsupervised learning, and much more, but with R language. There is another course on R language by dataCamp, and you can have this course. It's somewhat similar to this course, but having lots of other resources to learn machine learning using R language. Then if you want to use Python, which most of us using, then there is a course on Coursera offered by IBM for machine learning with Python. They are going to cover introduction to machine learning, regression, classification, clustering, and much more. Then one more course by Coursera offered by University of Michigan. It's applied machine learning in Python. They will have a little different approach because they are going to use scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a tool which predicts the output of your model on machine learning. So they will have these things, and you will get to know supervised learning by using scikit-learn on Coursera. Then if you want to use Java as your language for machine learning, this article by SkyMind is a great resource for Java AI ML things. So if you want to use Java, head over to this blog or this article. Then if you want to learn more about Java, Coursera is helping you always, and you can learn Java from the Coursera, having lots of content. But if you want to learn the fundamentals of machine learning, what is machine learning, how you can do things, what machine learning can do, there's a edX course offered by University of California, San Diego, and they are going to cover some of these things like Python for data science, big data, probability statistics, machine learning fundamentals. So it's like a data science part of machine learning. Then comes Udemy, a big player on the online courses, having 3 great courses on machine learning. They are going to use all in all every tool, and they are going to explain what is machine learning. And the best part of these courses is that they will start by coding very early. They will not waste time on big course of just theoretical part. Yes, there is a little bit of theory, but again they will dive into coding, dive into real experimental part of course very early. So this is very useful. Next again comes the Coursera. This course is slightly different because they are going to use the case study approach of machine learning fundamentals. Case study approach means they are going to use some example and build your course around that. So they will going to use regression, classification, clustering, and much more things, but with case study. So this course is going to be very good. And because one more thing is there, yeah, you can see deep learning, searching for image. That's a cool thing. I think everyone is excited for this. Then comes a Google course. Yes, Google is also available with the free course here, and because this is Google, they are going to explain machine learning using their own TensorFlow tool. So first step with TensorFlow, a 60-minute video which is going to explain how you can use TensorFlow. So here is the things you can learn from Google website, the developer.google.com. So algebra, maths, and then basic Python, then tools related to machine learning. One more thing from Coursera is here. Yes, again a new course on the TensorFlow offered by Google Cloud. As the name suggests, this course introduces you with the TensorFlow. So this course is very useful, and it's good to have this course because again Google and TensorFlow is a deadly combination. And next is similar to this course, a course on TensorFlow but offered by IBM at edX website. It's not a big course, it's 2 to 4 hours just, and it's going to cover all aspects of TensorFlow. Then comes the supervised learning with scikit-learn. So yes, after having a knowledge of what is machine learning, you are going to use these tools, but mastering a single tool is a good idea. So if you want to master scikit-learn, this course is available for you from dataCamp, and also this course machine learning with scikit-learn from Udemy. This course is good but not good rating, not good amount of students, but yes, it is available. Okay, so next is the data school. This course I highly recommend because this is going to start from very basic, what is machine learning, till you are going to master it. So this course is very useful, and I'm sure you are going to take it because this course I highly recommend from data school, obviously. Then again come Udemy course, data analysis with Pandas and Python. So Pandas is again a great library used by Python for machine learning, and this course is having great rating with good amount of students. That means you're going to learn valuable things from this course. Now here comes the degree part. You have understand things, you know how to create some machine learning model, and now it's time you want to have some degree on this. So if you want to have a machine learning or deep learning degree, you can go to this website and you can have their course on machine learning and deep learning, and then you will get a pro degree. That's very nice. Talking about the degree, you can also have a degree from Coursera offered by University of Michigan, applied data science with Python specialization. And one more very good degree course is Microsoft Professional Program in Artificial Intelligence on edX. This is, I recommend, because this is a collection of 9 courses with a final project, 8 to 16 hours per course. So you think about this, around 100-hour course, and it's going to have all these things. So it is super vast, and you will going to master each and everything from this degree. So yes, you need to pay a lot, but it's worth. Okay, again talking about the degree, Nano Degree, here comes the king of Nano Degrees. Udacity offers become a machine learning engineer, then become a data analytics, and much more courses, but these courses are not free. You need to enroll them, you need to pay them. Then you will get a Nano Degree if you complete this course in a time with good marks. Now we know that how things are going to work, but as I told you, mathematics is a key point on machine learning. So if you have time, if you want to learn more on machine learning, like mathematics of machine learning, then comes to this Medium blog, a mathematics of machine learning. And this is saying that linear algebra holding 35% of machine learning. Then comes probability and statistics. So I'm sure you will going to read this article if you have time, because there are lots of content. So if you have time, just read it. And if you want to learn more on mathematics behind machine learning or mathematics used in machine learning, not behind. So you can have this course on edX Essential Math for Machine Learning Python edition. They are going to use Python to explain maths for machine learning. So this is very nice. And then you will again have a Coursera course, Mathematics for Machine Learning Specialization, offered by Imperial College of London. So these are the course. Yeah, there are some of the course on Udemy, but I'm not going to recommend, although they are here. Okay, so this is all about the machine learning, how you can learn, how you can get started, how you can hold the degree on machine learning. So I'm sure you will get something from this video, and if you want to learn more related to these things, just comment below. If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this with others, because you will never find this collection of resources of machine learning anywhere on the internet. So I'm sure you're going to share it. You're going to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.